In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best standing desks in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these standing desks, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the VivoDesk V. The VivoDesk V is a budget-friendly, height-adjustable standing desk that would be a really good option for you, if you're looking for a standing desk that has enough space to hold multiple monitors and peripherals for your home and office purposes. This unit comes in 3 editions, including the manual black-colored edition which we are currently reviewing, the manual white-colored and is an electric black-colored one, so you can switch anytime you want since all 3 of them share the same look, and the functionality is what makes them different. First of all, the VivoDesk V has a 2-tier system that consists of 28 by 9-inch surface on which you can set your mouse and keyboard, but what's interesting about this part is that the surface is ergonomically positioned with the intention to ensure that your wrists won't be fatigued, and by default this means that you will have a comfortable working experience. I would also like to add that the second platform is removable as well, so you can detach it every time you want without any problem. In addition, the top surface measures 36 by 22 inches, and it has enough space to keep up to 2 monitors positioned side by side, along with your accessories, so you will have everything in front of you without having to stand every time you want to take something. Another interesting thing about this desk is its compatibility with various monitor mounts which I really like, due to the fact that you can attach your monitors on a monitor mount in order to save space as much as possible. When it comes to the adjustability, thanks to its gas spring lift, you will have an opportunity to switch between 8 points of height adjustment, which means that the comfort will be guaranteed once you get this standing desk. Finally, this model is exceptionally stable as well, thanks to its feet that will keep this standing desk stable on various surfaces, so you should never worry in terms of stability. To conclude, the VivoDesk V is worthy of considering, because it looks handsome and it has enough space to keep all of your personal items. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Roselco EADR. The Roselco EADR is yet another, inexpensive height-adjustable stand that combines a higher level of stability with a stylish look which makes it suitable for both personal and professional purposes. That's why, let's dive into action and find out why you should consider this unit. This standing desk comes in 5 editions, but the one we are currently reviewing is the Deluxe Black. However, do not hesitate to choose the one that suits your preferences the most, because each of them looks unique in its own way. This particular model features a discreet, all-black, 2-tier construction that is accompanied by a large 32 by 20.5-inch top platform that has enough space to hold 2 monitors or a laptop, as well as an 11.8-inch deep retractable bottom platform that can accommodate a keyboard and a mouse. At the top platform, you can also notice an embedded grommet hole which is surely a great addition, due to the fact that you can mount your dual monitor setup on a monitor arm and have a better cable management as well. Moreover, the EADR Deluxe has flexible yet sturdy gas springs which are strong enough to hold up to 35 pounds of weight, while on the other side, you will have an option to choose from 5 adjustable heights that range from 6.5 to up to 16.3 inches, which is really cool. Another great thing about this standing desk is that you won't have to spend time on assembling, due to the fact that this unit comes ready to use, so from the moment you take it out of its box, you can start using it, which I particularly like. According to most of the users, they didn't have any issues in terms of stability and adjustability, because of the Deluxe gas spring lift that has proven as an exceptionally reliable part of its construction. Last but not the least, you will have an opportunity to store this standing desk virtually anywhere in your office due to its compactness, so for the price you pay, the Roselco EADR is truly fantastic. Overall, you should definitely consider the Roselco EADR as your next purchase, especially if you want to enrich your office with such a quality product. Next up, at number 3, we have the Comeen standing desk. The Comeen is an exceptionally steady standing desk that would be a great option for you, if you want to invest in a desk that can drastically improve your body posture and health during your long working hours. The Comeen standing desk comes in 2 sizes, such as the 36-inch version which we are currently reviewing and the 47-inch version, but regardless of your choice, both of them share the same functionalities, so size and the price is what makes them different. The 36-inch Comeen sports a sleek all-black construction that is accompanied by a large 32 by 24-inch desk surface, 35.4 by 7.5-inch removable keyboard tray, exceptionally sturdy steel plate and a lift pump which will ensure a smooth transition from one height to another. Now, let's describe each of its components. This particular model will offer you enough space to store a single monitor, laptop, tablet, and your personal accessories on its desk surface, which means that your productivity will be drastically enhanced, since you will have everything in front of you, so you won't spend time on searching. For your information, the manufacturer states that this unit can hold up to 35 pounds of weight, and I'd advise you to keep this information in mind in order to avoid undesirable scenarios. Moving on, the removable keyboard tray has enough space to hold various items including your peripherals, smartphone, pens and much more, so for now, I'm unable to find any remarks. When it comes to the adjustability, I'd like to inform you that you can adjust the height of this desk from 5.7 to up to 19.7 inches, which makes it suitable even for taller people. Before we end, I'd like to inform you that you won't have any difficulties while adjusting the desk's height because its suspension system is really smooth and durable, so even if you've been using the Comeen desk for a few years, you won't notice any difference in terms of design and functionality. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider the 36-inch Comeen standing desk, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you won't regret that decision. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Veridesk ProDesk 60. The ProDesk 60 is an electric standing desk that received numerous positive critiques regarding its construction and functionalities, so let's get quickly into action and find out what's so special about it. For your information, this unit comes in 2 sizes and 5 colors, of which you can choose the one that suits your needs the most, such as the 48-inch version and the 60-inch version, which we are currently reviewing. This particular model measures 25.5 inches in width, 30 inches in depth, and it is made of a reclaimed wood that is attached to a sturdy frame, but you can also notice a steel crossbar, which is definitely one of the biggest highlights regarding the desk's construction, due to the fact that the stability you get in return is truly insane. In addition, this model comes with a programmable controller which will offer you 3 height presets that range between 25.5 inches and 50.5 inches, so you can always choose the one that is most compatible with your height. Another interesting thing about the ProDesk 60 is that it is extremely easy to install, thanks to its legs and the patent-pending design, which will exclude you from the need to pay on a professional that will do the job for you. Moving on, the top surface can accommodate dual monitor setup as well, if we take aside the keyboard and the mouse. However, please keep in mind that its weight capacity is rated at 250 pounds, so avoid placing items that weigh more than this. Most of those who've purchased this product have stated that the ProDesk 60 keeps very silent while you're adjusting your height, and once you find your ideal height, even at its maximum height setting, this stand didn't show any signs of instability, which is awesome. However, the only remark users had regarding this desk is that it isn't the most affordable that you can find on the market, but after all these information I provided, I think that ProDesk 60 deserves its price. Overall, the ProDesk 60 is worthy of considering, so check it out and assure yourself of its quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the ApexDesk Elite Series 71. The ApexDesk Elite 71 is a premium, height-adjustable standing desk that is currently one of the best, if not the best option you can find on the market, due to the fact that this unit combines an attractive yet sturdy design with high-end functionality that will significantly enhance your user experience. This particular model measures 71 inches in width, 35 inches in depth, and boasts an attractive construction that is made of a scratch-resistant laminate and a single-piece fixed steel beam that guarantees a higher level of stability. Moreover, the top surface has beveled edges, as you can see, which do not only make this desk look attractive, but thanks to this shape, your arms won't feel fatigued even if you've been working for a prolonged period of time. When it comes to the height adjustability, this unit is height adjustable from 29 to up to 48 inches, and what's so special about it is that the process is extremely fast because the ApexDesk Elite elevates with 1.3 inches per second as the manufacturer claims. I would also like to mention that thanks to its high-end, dual motors, you can store up to 225 pounds of weight, which I particularly like, due to the fact that even if you've set to its maximum height, this desk will be stable and will not move. Another great thing about the ApexDesk Elite is that it is crossbar free, which basically means that your legs won't feel tight, but instead, you will have more room and won't feel fatigued during your working hours. These benefits will not only affect your level of comfort, but it will increase the bloodstream of your legs as well, and as you know, the higher the blood circulation the better your health will be. Last but not the least, according to the manufacturer, the installation process won't take more than 30 minutes, because this desk uses levers instead of screws, which is absolutely great if you ask me. Overall, I'd strongly recommend you seriously consider the ApexDesk Elite 71 because it is extremely stable and it is sturdy enough to accommodate multiple devices and accessories. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these standing desks, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.